All right, guys, so who wants to share the screen?
I will.
Awesome, thank you. My snowboard. That reminds me about my snowboard. Gilson, could please bring me a snowboard.
Hi, my name is AJ Keese. I am a custom designer and do sublimation for Gilson Snowboard and Ski Co. What we do is we almost make a snowboard sandwich with our process with fiberglass in the middle. It goes base, fiberglass, core, fiberglass, top sheet. So essentially it's like a snowboard ski sandwich that we make.
Hi, I'm Logan Bardol. I'm head of the sublimation room. So this is our base material. It's really smooth on one side and it's more textury on the other. So it's a very clean process. So this is a base material onto the press now.
All right, hi everybody. I'm Will with Gilson Snow, part of the edge room here. What we do in this room is we put a metal edge, which comes to us on a spool over here. And, we bend them to get a pre-shape of what the board or what the ski is. The favorite part of my job is just the environment itself. Also, it's kind of a challenging job.
My favorite part of my job is the fact that we get to make a product that people absolutely love and create memories with, and it allows me to travel and do what I love as well and get to see my artwork out there in the wild.
So the real question is, what isn't so cool about manufacturing?